illuminating your massive warehouse, sprawling auto repair shop, or heavy industrial workspace with blinding daylight clarity without dealing with dim corners or skyrocketing utility bills usually means transitioning to a high-output commercial linear LED fixture. The YXL 4-pack 300W LED linear high bay shop light set, 45,000 lumens per unit, 5000K daylight, UL certified, redefines commercial lighting by combining extreme optical power, wide area central illumination, and rugged industrial engineering into a dependable multi-pack solution. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its enlarged central lighting optical architecture, paired with high-efficiency SMD LED chips, delivering an astonishing 45,000 lumens per fixture. Instead of struggling with traditional metal halide fixtures that take forever to warm up, buzz loudly, and cast dark shadows, this system floods expansive indoor areas with crisp, uniform 5000K daylight instantly while slashing energy consumption. Performance and everyday versatility streamline lighting management across high-ceiling warehouses, manufacturing plants, gymnasiums, and large barns. Built to operate on universal 120-277V electrical systems, the fixtures feature 0-10V smooth dimming capabilities, allowing you to easily link and adjust brightness levels to suit specific tasks or time-of-day requirements. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by UL safety certification for guaranteed commercial-grade reliability, rugged heat-dissipating housing that ensures a massive operational lifespan, and included suspension hardware for fast, secure hanging installation. Things to consider before you buy, because these are heavy-duty, high-output 300W commercial fixtures designed for soaring ceilings. You will want to verify your building's ceiling height and electrical circuit capacity to ensure safe, code-compliant wiring and optimal light distribution across your workspace. Additionally, because the package includes a 4-pack of industrial units, planning your grid layout ahead of time will ensure even, shadow-free coverage across your entire facility. So who is this really for? This commercial linear high bay bundle is an absolute home run for warehouse owners, industrial facility managers, and mechanics who demand ultra-bright, energy-efficient, and UL certified overhead lighting for large-scale operations. If you are lighting a small residential garage, a low-ceiling basement, or a standard office room where a 300W high bay fixture would create blinding glare, a lower lumen wraparound shop light or panel light will better match your space. Is it worth the money? If you value an immense 45,000 lumen output per fixture, energy-saving 300W efficiency, 0-10V dimming flexibility, UL safety certification, and a convenient 4-pack bundle to illuminate a massive commercial footprint, it is a premier, high-performance investment for your facility.